Hello, and welcome to Crocheting with the Classics. Today, we're going to continue with part 6 of our crocheting basics. And we're going to talk about half-double crochets, double crochets, and triple crochets. So, first off, I've already got a little line of single crochets to work into, and that's just my base. You might have a different base for whatever pattern you're using, but I'm using this one for demonstration. And I've already got a chain 2 to turn, because for a half double or a double crochet you typically chain 2 when you're turning. If you're doing a treble crochet, you're going to chain 3 instead. Alright, so for a half double, we're going to yarn over, we're going to insert our hook, yarn over again, pull through, yarn over, and then we're going to pull through all 3 on the hook. So every loop. And that gives us the half double crochet. And you notice it's compact. So this is a good stitch for if you're trying to do something that works up quickly but needs to have a tight stitch, like a bag or something. So here we go again. Pull through all 3. So now I've got 2 half doubles. Now if I'm doing a double crochet, I'm going to yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So you notice this is a lot looser than the half double. So this one's typically used for sweaters and stuff. Basically, a lot of patterns that make cloth or clothing will use the double crochet. So once again, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. All right, now the treble stitch. So let's say that I'm wanting to do a half treble. So for a half treble, what I'm going to do is I'm going to yarn over twice. So you notice there's 3 loops there. Then I'm going to insert and yarn over again and pull through. Now, I've got 4 loops on this hook. So for a half treble crochet, I'm going to yarn over, I'm going to pull through 2, and then I'm going to yarn over and I'm going to pull through 3. So let's do that again. Yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, insert, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 3. So there's my half trebles. Let's see a full treble now. So 1, 2, just like before. I'm going to insert, yarn over, pull through. Then yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So you see how much looser these are getting each time? So this makes for a very flimsy, airy stitch. So yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So basically, you're not going to use these 2 very often unless you're making something that's really loose. If you want a really loose stitch. Or, alternately, if you're trying to put a curve in something. Because you notice these are getting longer each time, so if you did it right, and you increased and decreased properly, you can make something that was curved. So if I suddenly went to, say, a double crochet here, let's see what that does to it. So there's my double. And let's make another double. So you notice now it's got a little curved motion to it. And if we make a couple of half doubles here, we now have a little arch. So this is a way to add shape to your pattern. It's just fun. So you might use it for that. All right, I hope that was helpful, and thank you for being with me today. Have a lovely morning. Goodbye.